Okay, I filled the rear master cylinder and I've led the rear brake system, and it's really good, nice and solid. Something I do when I finish all the adjustments is I go in here and I safety wire the pedal adjustment so that it can't move at all. Even if it were to work its way loose, the safety wire would keep it from coming undone. So that's just something I do for the heck of it. All right, now we're going to go over here and do a brake demonstration. I'm going to hand off the camera. And I'm going to spin the wheel and hit the brake, and you'll see the braking action. So just center that on the wheel, just like that. Perfect. All right, spinning the wheel and hitting the brake. Okay, got good brake action here. Hit the pedal. Okay, I mean just less than an inch to full lock. So you got a really good rear brakes now. And that is all. I'll leave this off overnight. I'll put a weight on this pedal overnight, and tomorrow I'll check for any loose leaks in any of this hydraulics, and if it's still tight, I will put the muffler back on it and bless it and call it good. And that is all. All right, so that's been fun.